You ever wonder why your roof is leaking right after you just got it repaired? In fact, it's leaking even worse. Well, you're gonna actually be surprised on what actually goes on in some of these roof repair jobs. I'm Elias from Bingley Roof Consulting. Today I'm gonna take you through an inspection that I'm doing in Blacktown. I'm gonna run you through all these problems that we're finding. It's pretty wild. Let's do it. Oh boy. Great start. So this place had someone come out, do a dodgy. Yep, we made it. Okay. These are fat LGS. Wow. Okay, so I got a call from someone to say they had a guy come out. He's done repairs. It started leaking after the repairs. He's come and had a look at the work. Now he needs me to have a look at the work. It doesn't look good. So this guy, what a mess. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is special. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is wow. So he's siliconed up. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's go through this one at a time. So he's siliconed up the water courses. That's a big no-no. He's siliconed the undersides of the tiles. He's pointed. Wow, that's very fun to walk on. He has pointed all in the valley, bed and point. And the tiles weren't even in properly. He's pointed it with like 2 or 3 colors. Man, this is a mess. This is crazy. Siliconed and pointing in the watercourse. The pointing work is just disgusting. What happened here? Hang on a second, what's going on down here? Hello. Bit more of a silicon in the watercourse. I'm just more interested. What is that? So I'm guessing to fix this bit, they've put this little tray in here. That's funky. Okay, then we've got, that's a mess too. So the vent was leaking, so they've siliconed all of that. They've siliconed here, they've siliconed here. Man, this is do your best and silicon the rest. No problem. Oh, oh my goodness. That is shocking. Okay, so straight away it needs a rebed. Really, this needs a replacement. This is home. He's pointed the front of the tiles. What in the world is going on here? Okay. Then some siliconed the nose there. That's okay. It's not a big deal. This is funky. Wow. Cracked collar on the ridge here. And the pointing is blown out there. It looks like it was pointed and then it rained. So it's not even worked. That's crazy. Okay. Well, you don't see this every day, but it's still pretty common. But this is pretty bad. This is a mess. This is actually filthy. Look at the pointing work here. All on top of the cap. Oh, this is so good. Okay. Actually, I didn't look on this side. There's the, oh, look at that. Ooh, that's brutal. Okay. Well, it's going to need to just replace those tiles because cleaning them is going to be a nightmare. I'm going to have to see if these tiles will even be at a recycle yard because they're a different type. Let me see if I can pop one. Oh, okay. It's an Atlas. Oh, it is an LGS. LGS something. Nice hardwood. Yeah, look, they've siliconed up all here too. And down here, oh my goodness, just keeps going. Then they've put a flashing in there. Oh man, okay. I'm gonna put this back in and then just go let them know what's going on. This is not good. Okay, well, I hope that video was informative. If you have anything that looks like what was happening there, give us a call. Our number's down in the description and our website's down there too. We're happy to come out and have a look for everyone. See you.